Alright, if you have a popping noise on your front end, possibly be your sway bar bushings. I'm already taking it off, but I'm reinstalling the bushing now. So this bushing just centered where the old one was. Put the bracket on, but let me say first, this is how it's gonna look when you first start. But loosen up both sides so that you can get the bushing off of the sway bar. Two 10mm bolts. It's really easy to replace. It should take you about 15 minutes total. Popping noise on your front end, 2015 Cadillac Escalade or newer or similar. I bought both bushings from the dealership for about $40. Let's see if I can get the part number. Shoot. I'll put the part number in the description because I don't know what I did with the freaking papers over there. Oh, both of them are over there, so yeah, I can't get it. Anyway, that's it.